how to use Scotiabank Scene Points. So basically, these are some rewards points that you can use later to buy things. So you can basically use those points to improve your home. So you can buy things for your home, you can buy grocery with those, you can travel with those, and as you can see, you have more options here. So as you can see, earn 1 point for every $10 spent at restaurants. So as you can see, they are partnered with over 700 restaurants. As you can see, even when you go shopping, you can basically earn points with Scene Plus. And as you can see here, you have also the option for, as you can see, for movie tickets, food and drinks at the Cineplex theaters. Then here, so basically, in order to use those, to redeem those, based on what do you want to use them for. So as you can see, redeem 500 points for $5 off at over 700 restaurants. So you're gonna have to simply get the Scene app, and then you're gonna have to simply link your Scotiabank account, and then you're gonna be able to redeem those points and get gift cards at those specific restaurants or stores. So basically, this is how you can use Scotiabank Scene Points. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.